Alright, what we have here is a storage system for hardware. And what we're looking at is first of all a shelf of drawers with labels corresponding to various sizes in SAE units. We can take a look then at an individual drawer like the 1/4 inch and see that within each drawer are little containers containing various 1/4 inch components, bolts, lock nuts, wing nuts, fender washers, carriage bolts, and so forth. You can also use drawers for storing hardware related to a particular domain of the shop. For instance, electrical, wire nuts, nailing plates, conduit connections.